Preparation before entry. Before entering an enclosed space, proper planning and risk assessment are required. Identify all possible hazards: lack of oxygen, toxic gases, flammable, vapors, heat, or confined structure. Secure an entry permit approved by a responsible officer. Conduct a toolbox meeting to brief all members on their roles. Assign personnel. Authorized entrant, the one who enters. Standby or attendant. Stay outside and monitors. Supervisor oversees the operation. Test the atmosphere using a gas detector. Oxygen level should be safe around 20.9%. Presence of toxic gases. Flammable. Prepare and wear proper PPE like helmet, gloves, and safety shoes. Respiratory or breathing. Safety harness with lifeline apparatus if needed. Ensure emergency and rescue equipment is ready.
Safe entry for inspection. Ventilate the space to remove harmful gases and supply fresh air. Retest the atmosphere before entry. Use intrinsically safe lighting to prevent sparks. Establish constant communication, radio or signals. Enter slowly and carefully, following the permit conditions. Never enter alone. Standby person must always be present outside.
While inside the enclosed space, continuously monitor oxygen and gas levels. Maintain communication with the standby person at all times. Be alert for signs of danger, dizziness, difficulty breathing, unusual smell. Stop work and exit immediately if condition becomes unsafe. Follow all safety procedures and avoid unnecessary movements.
Rescue procedure. In case of emergency, the standby person must raise the alarm immediately. Do not enter the space without proper equipment and training to prevent additional victims. Call the trained rescue team. Use proper rescue equipment, breathing apparatus, lifeline and harness, rescue tripod of or lifting device if available. If possible, assist the victim from outside using lifeline. Carefully remove the victim from the space. Provide first aid and seek medical assistance immediately.
After operation, ensure all personnel are safely out of the enclosed space. Submit reports of inspection or incidents. Evaluate the operation to improve future procedures. Conclusion: enclosed space entry is a high-risk activity that requires proper planning and teamwork. Following correct procedures helps prevent accidents and ensures the safety of everyone involved. And that is all.